Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is card. Card is an A1 level noun, meaning a small, flat, rectangular piece of material for writing or playing. So, what exactly does that mean in everyday language? Well, think about greeting cards you send to celebrate birthdays or holidays, or playing cards used in games like poker or bridge. These are all examples of cards in action. A card is essentially a portable, manageable piece of material, often used for communication, identification, or entertainment. Now, let's dive into some synonyms for card. A close synonym is paper. While paper is a broader term, in some contexts it can be used similarly. For example, he wrote a note on a piece of paper is similar to he wrote a note on a card. Another synonym, though slightly less direct, is ticket. Think of a train ticket or a concert ticket. These are often small, rectangular pieces of card or paper that grant you access to something. For instance, she bought a ticket for the movie. Another one could be note. Imagine a thank you note or a birthday note. You could say, I received a lovely note from my friend when describing a greeting card. Finally, we can think of identification, especially when discussing ID cards or business cards. You could say, please show me your identification when requesting to see someone's ID card. Now, let's flip the coin and explore antonyms. What words have the opposite meaning of card? A good antonym could be volume. While a card is small and self-contained, a volume refers to a large collection of things, often a book or a set of books. For example, instead of a small card with a message, you might have a volume of love letters. Another antonym could be entirety. A card represents a small part, while entirety represents the whole. You might say, he gave me the entirety of his collection, which is the opposite of giving someone a single card from the collection. Another option is series. Consider a collection of baseball cards. The opposite of a single card would be the entire series. You might say the series included hundreds of unique images when talking about the opposite of a single trading card. Another interesting antonym could be whole. A card is just a small piece, whereas whole refers to the complete thing. For example, he ate the whole cake, indicating the complete item, unlike a single card. Think about it like this. A baseball card is a small part of the whole baseball experience. Or, what about the word compilation? If you collect sports cards, you have a compilation. You could say, the museum showed a compilation of paintings by the artist. Now, let's see how we can use card in everyday life. You might say, I need to buy a birthday card for my mom. Or, he left his business card on the table. You could also say, she paid with her credit card. In common expressions, you might hear someone say, he played his cards right, meaning he made the right decisions. Or, the cards were stacked against him, meaning he was at a disadvantage. Here are a few more usage examples. She sent a card to her grandmother for her 90th birthday. The magician performed a card trick. Do you have a loyalty card for the store? I always carry a few business cards with me. The security guard asked for my identification card. He keeps his baseball cards in a special binder. To recap, a card is a small, flat, rectangular piece of material used for various purposes, from sending greetings to playing games. We've explored synonyms like paper, ticket, note, and identification, and antonyms like volume, entirety, series, whole, and compilation, and we've seen how card is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you learned something new about the word card. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Now, for a bit of fun, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word card and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!